hello. So we are having this fatal error issue. So this is how we fix it. You go to your browser and search for cs50 library download. Yeah, I'll be going for the first one. So I'm downloading from GitHub. From here you click here, then you click on download zip. Take a few seconds. Okay, it's already downloaded. So alright, so let me check to my download. I'm going to extract this here. So I extract it here. So I'll open the folder here. Then you go to SCR. Once you open the SCR, I'll copy these two and paste them on my here the project. Then mind you, I'm doing this whole project on a cloud. Okay, so I'll paste it on the cloud. So let me go back to the project I'm doing. Okay, so once you're done pasting it there, if you are to do make hello, it's still not gonna work. So we use this one. Let me clear this again. Love having my terminal clean. Alright, so you do this c hello dot c, then this. Alright, so it's actually worked, no error messages. So if you go ahead and open the file you're working with, mine is named hello, so it works. What's your name? Blah blah blah. So that's my name, Stanley. So alright, so good luck with your project.